Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube app in your iPhone. To get started, let's go to your App Store. Here, click on search icon. Now enter YouTube. Now click on this icon. Here your YouTube app is already downloaded. Now let's click on open button. Here you go, your YouTube app is successfully downloaded on your iPhone device. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.